The 14-day practical filmmaking summer camp organized by Kaftan Ideabox Creative Academy has come to a successful close in Abuja, equipping young creatives with hands-on skills in scriptwriting, directing, cinematography, and post-production. Let's hear more from our correspondent, Zainab Akogo.
In a bid to build a stronger creative economy in Nigeria's film and media sector, Kaftan Ideabox Creative Academy wrapped up its 14-day masterclass designed to unlock hidden talents among participants across all age groups. During the closing ceremony, the Chief Executive Officer of Kaftan TV, Abdulwahid Odusile, noted that such initiative would not only strengthen the creative sector, but also discourage over-reliance on government jobs.
I'm sure they have gone through something fantastic, something they never experienced in their life, and it's something I believe will stand them in good stead when they go out to exhibit their talent. Some of them have these hidden talents that until they got to this summer camp, they never knew they have such things. And I think it's good that we are bringing out the creativity in our youth, use their talents to create wealth for themselves instead of waiting on government or any philanthropy to dash their money or looking for employment.
Also speaking, the Chief Executive Officer of Kaftan Ideabox Creative Academy, Adeolu Adeyemo, urged participants to embrace professionalism and creativity in their crafts.
I believe the sky is the beginning of where we are starting from. I'm sure we're already having a lot of states saying coming. They want to bring their students in. We have Nasarawa coming in this year, before the end of this year. You can see that it's all practical, and that is the experience we want to teach. I told them last year, I said, enough of theory, let's go practical to impacting into life and destinies.
Facilitators at the camp encourage participants to keep practicing the knowledge gained during the training, stressing that continuous learning remains key to excelling in the industry.
These are ambassadors. I believe that they will go and advertise Kika, and in the next gathering, I believe that a lot of people will come. It has been a great platform for them to showcase themselves internationally. And as you can see, they are all happy.
The challenge was to try to bring them into the knowledge of getting to know what creativity is. Then it was smooth because we actually knew what to do with them. And generally speaking, it was practically by 80% to 20%. 80% of practical was what we gave. And I'm actually proud of it. I would say that I'm really proud of these guys because they gave a stellar presentation.
I see them, taking over the world. And I also want to use the opportunity to also encourage and admonish that government should be supportive, to this great vision. We have just few film academies in Nigeria.
Participants described the masterclass as an eye-opening and inspiring, noting that the experience provided them with practical knowledge to compete in the fast-evolving film sector.
When I came, the passion was there, something that has been with me for quite a long time. And to be candid, I had wanted to focus on screenwriting and maybe directing. And you can understand that because of the age. But surprisingly, as the course progresses, I found out that there are a lot of things. So already I'm into podcasting already, and I hope to continue with it and also to be a social critic.
Giving us the privilege to work with tools, not just the theory, but working with tools. I've experienced a lot of things in photography, script writing, videography, TV presenting, and many other stuff here. Like, to be very honest, I can't just wait to start practicalizing all this that I've learned outside, like in the real world itself.
I'm just grateful for the opportunity that God has given people to impact on the younger generation.
During the process of the program, I see a lot of changes in my daughters. She learned a lot. Even at home, I see the different things she has been doing. And I'm thanking God because I'm looking forward to enroll her. If there's an advanced class here, yes, I want her to attend it.
The summer program, which featured industry experts and intensive workshops, is expected to play a significant role in nurturing the next generation of filmmakers in Nigeria. Zainab Akokun, reporting for Kaftan TV News, Abuja.